Hi, my name is Ruth Donnelly from Coachwood Nursery in Somersby, New South Wales, Australia. If you love succulents and you're looking for something that's really quirky and interesting, then this Manfreda here has the most amazing purple blotches or spots all over its leaves, and it's a really tough and hardy plant to grow. Just because it's rare doesn't mean that it's hard to grow. Sometimes people can think that if it's rare or obscure or unusual, it means that it might not be easy to grow. Well, they're actually only rare because they're either very slow to propagate, slow to grow, or they haven't had time to build up within the general horticultural industry. So today I'm going to talk about variegated plants and plants that have got unusual colour patterns on their leaves, which succulents are the best at. So we've had a chat about this particular Manfreda. There's quite a few different types, and they've done a lot of breeding with this particular plant. They've bred them with the agave family, and they've got some amazing new plants. So look out for them. They're quite tough. They can go inside if you've got a really well lit room, but most of the time they are better outdoors. So that's one to look out for. Then this variegated leaf here is absolutely gorgeous. Cilicia pink panther is its most common name that is used within Australia. It has the most gorgeous, compact, low-growing habit. It spills over, so you can use it as an indoor plant. But why not come and have a look at them in person at our nursery? Why not add something like this to your collection? We have them in little pots for $4.50. So they're not expensive. This is one of our display plants. They are more expensive, they're bigger and older, but we've got a stack of little plants that you can get starting from $2. If you get more than one plant in the $2 range, then they're 12 for $20, or you can get 33 for $50, which is 33 new plants to add to your collection. So we've got a huge range of plants, many thousands, and it's lots of fun to come and see our collection as well. So the next variegated plant that I want to talk about is this particular Aeonium called Sunburst. This is quite spectacular. It always has a fantastic colour pattern to its leaf, mainly green and yellow, like a golden fleck through it. In winter it has a pink edging around the leaf. If you look closely with this one, it's just starting to form now. So this pink edging it gets very intense colour in winter when the weather cools right down, and it's a fun plant to grow and very easy to propagate by the stems. So this variegated plant is fantastic, and we'll be talking about some of its close relatives in a moment. This particular variegated plant, or the pattern on here makes it look variegated, but it's got like a leopardy sort of pattern. It's just incredible. It's a scilla, so it's a bulb. It's in the Ledebouria family. Some people know it as Ledebouria. So it clumps up and spreads into a low growing mound. So it's a bun shape. It's fantastic indoors if it's in pretty good light. It's great on a veranda, and it's also very good to have in a shaded spot in the garden. So this is not a full sun succulent. It prefers to be full shade, or morning sun is fine, but not hot afternoon sun. It will tend to burn around the edges of the leaf. So that's why it's an excellent indoor plant. If you've got a succulent which doesn't like hot full sun, it's a clue to maybe it's a shade-loving succulent. Maybe it's going to be good as an indoor plant. So not all succulents like sun. Then there's another type of variegation in a sense. It's sort of like a two-tone look to the plant, two colours. Often with this type of Aeonium, it's all around the outer leaves. So it's a maturity colouring with this particular Aeonium. It's green with the new growth, and then it matures to a burgundy red. So it's not exactly variegated, but it's related. That whole colour two-tone colour look is absolutely gorgeous. And with this particular plant, the more sun, the more colour. So it's a fun one to look out for. So we sell all of these in our nursery at our open days, and you can buy them at our workshops as well. We stay open a little bit longer and you can have fun looking around and buying. So come and have a look. We've got a website called coachwoodnursery.com. It's easy to find. It's a fun website to have a look at, a stack of photos, and you can always email us if you've got any questions, no matter where you are in the world. I'm happy to help and share what knowledge I have on succulents.